Hi and good day. Today we will try to generate Malaysian IC patterns. Before we get any further, let's try to get something straight, which is a date generation. So I'm going to try explain this right now, okay? Dates, because those are used in the pattern. So first of all, date 2019, say, okay, this year. First month and 1st of January. You get something like this. Now the reason you see this is because if you look at home, number, and the formatting here is according to date. If you were to go to general, what will happen? It is just a number that Excel recognize as date. It's not the date that we have imagined. Okay, so if you put to short date, then Excel will convert that number we saw just now, that whole piece of integer, into a date, into its representation in date. So of course we can always customize it to say date patterns. This is something that we might want, but we wanted it to actually show us. Let's just customize it right now. Year, 4 characters. Okay, you can see the sample on the top, and then months. Okay, and then date, DD. So something like this. Looking familiar already? Yeah. So we can generate this. Now since it is actually at the back just a number, we can always use since the representation is an integer, we can use random between to actually set a beginning and the end of the range you want to generate. So let's come back to this. Okay. More number formats. I'm not sure if it is being saved. If it is not, then probably we just type it in. DD. Oh. YYYY. MMDD. Okay. This one. Sample over here. Okay, right, so let's just randomly generate rand between date. Say I want to generate from 1980 until all the way till date of 2007, say. Okay, 2007, and the month is 12. Okay, so randomly generate between this, and I want to apply, copy the format painter, copy from here to here. Okay, I've got to generate once already. Somehow it is generating all the way between 1997. I haven't seen any 2000 and above. Yeah, millennials. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, let's just generate another bunch. Okay. From example, generating between 13 to 0 to 1 to 13. One to 13, 14, say. Nowadays I extend to 15. Anyway, it's just a fictitious one. Doesn't have to be. I mean, it approximates the real deal, then it's good enough. perhaps what we want is to specify, okay, say 0 and hash. So at least there's a padding in the front of 0. Okay. And lastly, just wanted to generate a random number. Okay, 4 digits number. Say 1000 to 9099. Okay. So equals ran between 1000 9999. And lastly, you string this all up, okay, column by column.